In this module, we'll be looking at application software using different systems. They are basically all derived from Rothermel equations that are incorporating in the Behave Plus. So we'll be starting by Behave Plus. Behave Plus is very widely used system, and we'll be looking at the different modules in Behave Plus associated with fire behavior. We want you to be familiar with the system and and relate it with the different chapters of the course that you have been involved with. So that's the first part, and then we'll be using Behave Plus in order to plan prescribed fire. You'll be looking at the different combinations of fuel and weather characteristics that will enable safe use of prescribed fire, and that's a very important application of Behave Plus. Then we'll be looking at FlaMap. We'll be looking at mapping fires in the landscape, and that's also important to look at operational applications as minimum travel time for firefighting operations, or having optimizing fuel treatments in the landscape using different options within FlaMap. Also, we'll be using Farsight, another very widely used software. It has been used all over the world, and it's important that you are also familiar with the possibilities and the limitations of the system. And finally, we'll be looking at the effects of fire, and we're using FOFAM, looking at smoke emissions. We'll be looking at soil heating, tree mortality, and several other effects of fire that by this stage you'll be familiar with, because you already went through the different modules and different systems that can be used to predict the effects of fire. So by using these different applications that are commonly used all over the world, you'll be reviewing also some of the concepts, some of the models, and you'll be familiar with some of the current applications, software applications that are used in operational terms. Good work.